Hi guys, it's been a while. I know, I'm sorry. This won't happen again, I promise. There's a really good reason for why I've been absent from the channel for so long. Is because something big has happened in my life, and this right here is now my home. Well, I don't live right here, but this is home. I've escaped the gases and the chemical trap of a major capital city. I just couldn't stand it anymore. We just packed the things, filled up a truck, and moved out of town in less than a couple of weeks. And I recommend that. This is where we came from. This is our home, and it will always be, no matter how advanced or how many cities we have. So yeah, stay tuned, there's more to come. Got a whole bunch of boxes back home to unpack and all that stuff, but I'll be back with some more technical videos soon. See ya.